Hey, welcome to Mac's Garage. I'm Mac and this is my C3 78 Corvette. But today we're going to be changing the headlights. These are the originals and we're going to be doing a conversion to LED with an Octane kit we have. It should be plug and play, but you know, we'll see how that goes. Other than that, don't mind the mess. It is a disaster from the storage stuff that we did last week. It's also freezing here in the south and I don't ever wear shoes and I am. So if I'm shivering this whole video, don't mind me. But let's get to it. All right, so there is a screw here, 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 and here. So we're gonna take that off first and that should take off the silver plate right here. So upon further looking at it, these are definitely halogen lights. These aren't even the original lights, but they are crappy headlights, so. All right, cool. Now, and then should just unplug. All right. Let's see if it's actually plug and play. So the Octane lights that we got are 5 3/4. Both of them are the same. They have 3 prongs on the back, which is the light that I just took out. So this prong right here takes it from a 3-prong to a 2-prong. This is gonna be for the high beam inner light. So I got the LED conversion halogen lights to make them brighter. All right, so here is the LED inside of there, and then the 3-prong is put into the 2-prong for the high beam. The holes line up. All right, it's a moment of truth. Did it work? Yeah. And they're on. Look at the difference. All right, so headlights are changed. Here's the low beam, high beam. That is a huge improvement. LEDs are the bomb. But other than that, it just, in general, looks way more clear. And then, you know, that white light just looks way better at night where you can actually see what's going on. So I'm super happy with the results. Shout out to Octane Lighting because they make great lighting and just great products overall. But anyways, thank you for watching today. I hope you go subscribe below. Make sure to check out my other videos.